Hello everyone, it is me, Passionate Kelsey, and welcome back to this very passionate vlog. Today is our last day of vacation. We have some plans. We're gonna go to a museum, and then I think we're gonna go bowling later. Then we're just gonna spend the night like preparing, packing, getting ready, getting on a plane tomorrow. So that is all. Welcome back. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ooh, that's interesting.
What's this color?
That's really cool.
How bad is it? How bad is it?
Guys, I'm gonna win.
Oh, it's my turn?
I'm gonna win.
There it is.
Oh. Yeah.
That's your first spare in like 6 frames.
Oh shit. That was good.
Game number 2. Let's see how she does. That's the best you've done all day.
Honey, I have to tell you something. I lost at bowling. You still like me? Oh.
I don't think no for an answer.
Oh crap.
Okay.
Oh no. Hello guys. So we had a pretty good day today. We didn't do a lot. We went to the art museum and we went bowling. It was really fun. I was kind of afraid that the bowling would like either hurt my wrist or my shoulder or whatever, but it was great. And the second round went better, okay? Now I'm just like packing up all of my stuff, getting ready so that in the morning it's just like easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl. I'm pretty sure that my yarn is gonna fit into my suitcase, no problem, but I don't know, I'm gonna try it out here in a second. I want to show you as far as our travel projects go. I used up all of the yarn except for this, which we are making into a mesh market bag, and it is coming along nicely. We can probably get this done, and if we do get it done, then we will start making bandanas with this cotton yarn that we brought. This is the last thing I've got in my bag over here. We packed pretty adequately for the trip. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I am ready to go home. I had a fantastic time. I miss my dogs so much. Neji is just, he's calling my name. I can hear him. I'm gonna go pick him up. See you guys tomorrow.
Now I'm stuck on some boring charity event with Reese. You see what your mom got me into?
Off we go to the airport. This is looking pretty good. I think I only need like 2 more rows on the mesh. I think I'll get this done. Hopefully. And then we'll start making bandanas. We made it to the airport, got through security, we found some food, and now I think we have probably an hour to wait to sit around before our flight. I'm gonna start crocheting. We do need to finish my bag, but I decided to move along and make a TikTok because I have been slacking on my TikToks, right? So instead of finishing our bag, which I'll get to later, I'm gonna start making some bandanas with the green yarn that we brought. Okay, yeah, good idea. Okay guys, so whenever we left, I had talked about double stranding this yarn because it says it's a 2-weight to make my bandanas, which we usually make with a 4-weight. But as you can see, I've done 2 rows and I don't really like it. It's a little bit too thick, honestly, too thick for a headband. So instead, I think that I'm gonna make a mesh shirt. I'll just make like a really general, like a square, and just leave a hole for the head and then the arms, you know? Like a square on the front, square on the back. Sew them here, here, and down the sides, you know? Hopefully we'll have enough yarn for this. I'm still gonna keep it doubled up because I really like the texture of it, how it's working up while it's doubled up. I just think it's too thick for a bandana, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to make a mesh shirt. Also, we're playing Pokemon Go, of course. I think this is good. Okay, I ended up chaining 60 so that whenever I turn it, it'll be 59 going back. Now I'm just gonna do double crochets every other stitch, chain 1 between.
She said she would do the door, but I don't think on the picture.
Time has totally flown by. We're gonna board soon. I only have this much done. I thought it would be more. That's all right. I'm gonna keep working on the plane. Also, I did realize that instead of doing 2 squares and like sewing them together, I could make 1 long rectangle. Yeah, I'll like go all the way up, and then I'll do a row, and I'll like leave a chain for the neckline, and then I'll continue over here. So it'll be like a big long rectangle with 1 hole in the middle, and then I can just sew up the armpit sides, you know? we're back. They took my luggage because they said it was too big, sadly, even though we flew with it here. So now we're just waiting to get it back, and then we're gonna go home. Can you see? One of our yarn skeins ran out, but the other one still has quite a bit on it. So here's the progress though. So not a great time to run out of yarn. I don't know if I have another one of this color at home or not, but we'll see. We made it. I'm going to bed. Good morning. We're going to get the boys. Well, everyone, we are officially back home. I had a great trip overall. Lots of fun. I am very happy to be home. I slept fantastic. You know when you get home from a trip and you get to sleep in your bed for the first time after like a week? I picked up my babies. Snetchy. Say hello. They haven't seen you in a while. They've been looking at a cat. He got a bath. Terry's here as well. Not to worry. Anyway guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my vacation vlogs. I really hope that you enjoyed them. If you missed any, you can always just go back and watch them if you're interested. We are going to be here and we will continue with our regular crochet shenanigans. Anyway, that is where we're going to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you want more content from me. I'm going to take a day, chill, unpack, eat some food, and get all organized so that we can get right back on our regular videos. So I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.